In this tutorial, we will go over how to create groups in your metacourse to keep your two sections separate. You'll have a couple choices to make, so let's get started. First, I'm going to go into the course that I created as the meta. And then I'm going to go up to Course Administration and go to Users, and then go to Enrollment Methods. Now that we're into the enrollment methods, you will see Add a Method with a drop-down menu next to it. Click on the drop-down and select Course Meta Link. This will bring you to another page that says Course Link. Again, there's a drop-down, and you will select the course you want to add as your child course. We're going to add Section 01 first, and I'll click on Add a Method. So now I have one of the sections added as a child course. If I go up to Course Administration and I look at the enrolled users, you will see that I have Jackalope and Fluffy Bunny, both added to the course because they were in Section 01. I'm going to go back to Course Administration to Users, and this time I'm going to select Groups. Once in the Groups area, I'm going to create a group. It will be called Section 1. And then I'm just going to save the group. The next screen we're going to see is Add and Remove Users to this group. If I click on this, I will just see the students from Section 1. I'll click them, one, and if I hold the Shift key, I can select the other. And then click on the Add button, and this will add them into the group. I'm going to go back to my Course Administration link, and I'm going to go to Users and Enrollment Methods again. This time I'm going to add another course meta link so that I can add in my next section. From the drop-down menu, I will select Section 2 and click Add a Method. Once this has been added, I can go back to the Course Administration, Users, and Groups. I'm going to create my second group. Section 02, and I'll save it. Again, we're going to add and remove users. This time you're going to see a number 1 next to the students who are already enrolled in a group. I'm going to click on Big Bad Bob, and then on my Mac I'll hold the Command and on a PC the Control key to select the other student. Then I'm going to click the Add button, and now I have students in both my sections. I'm going to go back and I'm going to click on this Edit Settings. This is the edit settings for the whole course. I'm going to keep my course hidden until I have everything all ready. But if I go down to the Groups area, I want to make sure that either Separate or Visible Groups is selected. Separate groups means the students will not interact or see each other in the course. Visible groups allows the students to see each other in the course. Most people prefer to use the separate groups, and that's what I'm selecting today. And then I'm going to click Save Changes. So now if we go to the Course Administration and look at our grade book, you will see that we have the option of seeing all participants in the course, and you can see that they're all 4 of them are there, or Section 1, which has 2 students, Jack and Fluffy, or Section 2. This really helps when you're doing grading, and especially entering those final grades at the end of the semester. So here I have my course, I have my students all set up, and now I just need to populate it with content. That will be in my next video, Importing Content into a Course.